This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Spacious home in a small private park. Great room floor plan with a large living room with laminate floors and a ceiling fan flows into a dining area and a nice kitchen with a skylight and lots of room for the chef and the family. Master suite has a full bath including a walk-in shower. Fenced yard for the kids and pets to play. Double car detached garage too. Space rent only $630 per month. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.